From sunrise in Fiji until sunset in Hawaii, in alignment with the United Nations SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being for All, in your city, World Wellness Weekend offers a chance to millions of people to safely and joyfully run, walk, bike, hike, breathe, stretch. More than ever, it is essential to enjoy more vitality, serenity, immunity, creativity, and solidarity. Join in-person activities. Watch online videos and tutorials. Immerse yourself in wellness experiences. Join live events. Discover your next holiday destination. Join World Wellness Weekend. Visit wellmap.org.